Hey YouTube, it's Kid, and I'm here to talk about AnyDesk. So I learned this out the hard way on what this actual application is. These cornball scammers and hackers and whatever they be on, dude. A lot of them install this and just do malicious things, but we ain't talking about that. We're talking about the use of it. I actually discovered it because of them, but it's crazy, man. So anyway, I'm going to show you how to use your Android device on your Windows computer, and then I'm going to make a video on how to use your Android device in the MetaQuest over here. But that's besides the point. So install AnyDesk from here, from the downloads. Download to your Windows computer here. Once you do that, everything is cool. And then once you download that, the application is going to open up. You can choose to create an account. You know what I'm saying? It seems like it adds all your sessions all together. So once you install it on your phone here, what you're going to have to do, you're going to install AnyDesk from the Google Play Store. Okay. Once you install it from the Google Play Store, yet again, you can create an account, you can sign in, or you can just have it here. It's going to discover it on your Wi-Fi connection here, Ethernet connection. Once you do that, you're going to go to the phone, whatever your phone name is. You should see it pop up. If it's only your phone installed, then here it is for you. So then you'll do this, and then it's going to pop up on your phone to connect, and you can allow this session here. It's going to show previous default, screen sharing, full access, unattended access, things like that. Just what you allow your computer to actually access. So I'm going to do full access here. I'm going to hit accept. It's going to start now, and then here we go. You know what I'm saying? Here's everything here. As you can see, you're able to go on your phone and everything is here. You know, you got your apps here. You can pull it up here, turn that off. You go to the gaming hub, things like that pops up here. You got your games, and it's pretty quick, man. But that is how you go to your phone. It's pretty consistent here. We go to PUBG right now. As you can see, it starts up. It looks like that doesn't work. Actually, it does work. Here you go, PUBG. It just wanted to broadcast again. Now, for the audio purposes, I don't see the audio purposes of this. It looks like it might be blocked, but that's just how it goes here. But yeah, yo, definitely cool, definitely dope. Yeah, and I think I broke it. I think I broke it. It looked like it wanted me to establish a connection or something. Let's see, exit, retry, accept again. It does previous. Okay, there we go. And then we're back at it again. Okay, so it looked like you had to go back into it again after the fact here. But yeah, yo, this is mad cool here. You could do so much stuff on here. Just discovered it. So yeah, if you have any questions, let's get it. Let's go. I can explain more details what's going on with this app, but it's really nutty on how its privacy settings is. Like, I don't know. It's like I have to hide everything on here. So yeah, all right. Well, let's get it. Let's go. And I'll see you in the next episode. Peace.